right, so Halloween is Mom's birthday, so we have got a lot of experience going through the holiday motions, but one thing we wanted to highlight on were the types of pumpkins that are grown right down the road from us and they end up here at the market. So Mom, what is your favorite part of pumpkins?
Getting the pumpkins.
Getting the pumpkins.
Just getting, not unloading the pumpkins, but having that, getting them here.
That's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
Well, what I love so much about the pumpkin, especially as we sit here and talk about the Cinderella right out the gate, we have a picture of Lander, my oldest, sitting on there when he was maybe, what, a year and a half old, sitting on there. So it's just the memories. It's the memories that the pumpkins bring back for me. What's your favorite pumpkin memory?
When we got a hold of a big pumpkin and we cut out the legs, even Becca, where she cut the legs out and set the naked babies. So Billy and Maggie were in the pumpkins.
The babies have been in the pumpkin. I forgot about that.
They weren't happy about it, but we loved it.
Well, there's just a wet pumpkin sticking a naked baby in. All right, go through on your side what pumpkins we've got here and how you would kind of incorporate that in a display.
So this is the Long Island cheese. It's just a solid color and it gives you a muted color. This is actually a fairy tale, but it grew neat and it kind of just sets on top of a stack where you can get that visual. The swan gourd. That's right. Swan gourds are popular. Everybody loves these, and quite a few people will make like a birdhouse and stuff. They'll dry them, so that's really neat. This one's kind of mean. It's called the lunch lady. I even hate telling people that it's a lunch lady. This is the Turk's turban. This is probably one of my favorite, that you can stand it up like that. A lot of people put it like that so it looks like a mushroom, but they're really cool. We had this for the first time last year and it's called a milestone, and I love the color, but I really like the black stem on it. It really just kind of pops and marries a lot of the colors together. And then this Blue Hubbard squash, we've told people time and time again that this is actually what is in the pie pumpkin can, like what you buy at Walmart, Kroger. But a lot of the chefs have been picking these up and using these as pumpkin pie and anything pumpkin.
They're really good. They're really delicious. One more we got right there.
Oh, the flat white boar. And so it's a good bottom piece that gives you the white color and then just kind of go from there. So depending on, a lot of people kind of go with the color of their house or the brick of it, but you can go with any color.
You've done all the stacks around the market, like at the back of the truck, and they always sell first. But all the different creativeness of just the different colors stacking together, we can show that too. So over here we have got Gerardale, right?
Gerardale.
We have to relearn these pumpkins every year too, and we've only had them a few days. This is the first load. Gerardale is one of my favorite. I like that, just that blue color. The Cushaw is actually one of the top ones people get for eating, and we did a recipe with Ken Dempsey a while back on the soup, that Cushaw soup, remember that? And Chef Scott Rains over at Table 28 loves these. He does a special fry that is absolutely incredible. And this is the Cinderella we talked about first that we set the babies on. Let's show what a little stack would look like, Mom.
Well, you could stack that on top for a two-top, or you could do this is like just a stack.
Just a three, just to kind of show the different examples. And then something that Mom's done over the years is get like broom corn or the little bitty corn husks.
Corn husks.
There we go.
Yep.
And then makes it really cute and just adds another little...
anything that's going to even it up to keep it from rocking, you just kind of pat it in there and set it up.
All right, what's that one, Mom?
Mellow yellow.
Mellow yellow. Pretty little, that's one of the only ones we've got that really stands out like that. And this is just your traditional jack snowball. And this is like that traditional jack, except it's got these warty things on there, and it's called a knucklehead. So there's so many different varieties, so many different aspects that
And
you
the
can do with
lumina.
it. Oh, and the lumina. Can't forget this one. Pretty little round white pumpkin. So we can eat so many of them, decorate with them, porches, around mailboxes, all kinds of photo ops. Like we always, as soon as you get the truck set, all the photographers call, hey, can we use the truck?
Come take pictures?
One thing I want to hit on before we jump off of this is the cabbages and kales. They are not just the most pretty thing right now, but they turn white and purple as it gets really cold, and they are the only thing that has all that color late in the year. But by then it's too late, isn't it? We're already sold out.
Even in the spring, whenever we're out here and we're cleaning flower beds and pots and getting ready for a new year, it actually hurts my heart to pull these up because they are so pretty. But they don't like that hot sun. Once it starts getting more warm, that they've done their job.
There is the brief pumpkin tutorial that we've got at Me and McGee. Appreciate you taking the time to watch.